Hello everyone, hope you guys are having an amazing day. So reveal group 1 to start us off is a thrifty mom, which is Melissa. Thank you so much for playing along as Melissa. Okay, so let me show you guys your packages, and these are the 2 packages that she sent. And it doesn't have an opening, so I can't show you what's in there, but here is the package. This one is for Love to Create, and those are all the goodies, and it looks like they're the same, all the goodies in your boxes, ladies. There you go. She's got some really cute orange and black tulle on the top, tied in a bow. That's so super cute. And yeah, the boxes are cute. Alrighty, lady. Thank you so much for playing. Oh, here's this one. Thank you so much for playing along. This has been fun, opening all your ladies' packages and seeing what you have created. So let's go on to the next one. Okay, guys. So the next package comes from Love to Create, which is Virginia. Thank you so much, Virginia. Okay, so this is how the packages come. She wrapped it, first of all, in plastic, in a clear plastic bag. And then she put some orange tulle. Thank you, Virginia. I don't have any orange tulle. And here is April's box. And, oh, that's so cute. That is super, super cute. So let me put this back in there because it was in there. Okay, and then this one belongs to the thrifty mom. And look at that. I just love those cute little ghosts. They're cute. And then this ghost right here. Oh, that is so cute. Covering up a little bit. Okay, guys. And this is the one she created for me. So thank you so much, Virginia. I really appreciate that. So let me get it open. Alright, guys, so I have taken it out of the plastic so we don't hear all that crinkling. So yes, it was wrapped with this orange tulle, and then it has this little card, and each of them are personalized, and there's a note on the back, so I'm not going to show you the back. And oh my goodness, how cute is this guy? Oh my gosh, can you imagine the work that she had to put in this guy to make him move around like that? That is so adorable. Oh my goodness, Virginia, thank you. Oh, thank you so much. Look at that. That is just adorable, guys. She may have fussy cut this too. Oh my goodness. Wow. Okay, well, if you used a die, let me know. Or, I mean, I don't know. No, she may have used a machine, but oh, that is just so, so adorable. Love that. Thank you so much, Virginia. Super, super cute. Okay, and right here, it looks like she has included a little book of some sort. So she's got the pumpkins on the top with a scary cat, Happy Halloween. Says, be glad to live in a world where there are Octobers. Pretty. Oh, look at that. How cute. Look at that, guys. That is so adorable. She put all these little cut aparts in there. That is so cute. Look at this witch. Oh my goodness. Look at that. That is so cute. And then you flip it over. And then she put goodies in here as well. She put some felt. Look at that pocket. She put some felties in here. Oh, that is so cute. She put some sentiments in here. These are so cute. Oh, and then, you know, with the clear pocket, that is just adorable, Virginia. You did good. Look at that. Very, very, oh, look at this cute owl. Very cute. And there we go. Gonna rip the witch off. The witch and this guy. Rattle your bones. And then she sent some banners. Those are so super cute. And guys, you can take these off totally. Those are so cute. Thank you so much, Virginia. And thank you so much for including me. I love that. That is so cute. And here is her box. Guys, that is so cute. Okay, so again, I'm gonna focus in. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. I'm going to try not to move the box around. So on the front, it says what horrors they had seen. And then this little, you know, guys, you can use this. I saw it on the other one, but I just thought it was part of the, I mean, it's part of the box top, but you can use that. That's so cute. And then you've got the little felt ghosts. And then Frankenstein right here. He's adorable. Some gold, not gold, orange rickrack here with some bling pieces. And then the, that's so cute. The background, orange. That is so cute. All right, guys. Well, let me open this up and show you what she has sent. And look at that. Look at that. Those, look at the paper. I don't know if she did it or it came like that, but look at the paper, guys. That is so cool. And then she put the Frankensteins in here. She pieced these together, guys. Again, that is work. Oh, and there's 3 of them, triplets. So cute. Thank you, ma'am. That is a lot of work. Okay, so let's go over her box. And right here in this well, she has some pumpkins. These are foam. This one's a felt pumpkin. And in this side, she's got a whole bunch of stickers. She's got, you know, with gold glitter around it. I mean, silver glitter. I don't know my colors again today. Some silver glitter around each. Oh, look at this witch. She's cute. And then right here, I think these may be glow in the dark eyeballs, or, you know, googly eyes. At least that's what it looks like to me. And then right here, she's got some bling pieces, orange, and she's got a couple of charms here. The bones with the skulls, those are pretty. Look at that. She's got 3 of those in there. And then right here, she's included some, oh, she's included one of the little, yeah, I don't know what you call these, but you know, the hooks for, you know, like a key ring, or you can make a tassel and hang it from there. Thank you, ma'am. And she's got some skulls in here. These are beads, orange, blue, white, and then she's got some black ones as well. So super cute. Thank you, ma'am. Appreciate that. And then right here, she's got, oh, look at these guys. Let me see if I can get this light. Look at these guys. Wow, those are fancy. They're really thick. I don't know what they are, but they are so cute. Look at that. Adorable. I love those. Thank you, lady. Super, super cute. And then here she's got some little tombstones, and she's got some cut aparts, and some of these are cuties. So she's got that in there. And then here she's got all kinds of orange, black, and silver bling, or clear bling. She's got a couple of bows on this side, and they are all different colors. Well, not all, but you know, we've got purple, orange, and black. Thank you, ma'am. I love those. I really do, because any bow that is ready to go is a friend in my book. So right here, she's got some bats, orange, green, purple, and these are foam bats with some glitter on the front. And then right here, she's got these cute little spiders that I absolutely love, and the only ones that I have are, you know, ones that have been sent to me. And then right here, she's got a mix of ghosts and tombstones and bats, it looks like. Thank you, lady. I appreciate you including me. All right, guys, this is such a cute little box. All right, so next up is April Martinez. So let me get hers. All right, guys, so this one, I said her name is April, but it's Abril. So this one is from Abril, and she has put everyone's box into a cute little treat bag with all the little pumpkins. So she did send me a note, which is right here. But so she did tell me that the one wrapped in the scarf was for me, so I'm gonna set this one aside. And then she did send some stickers. And you know what, she messaged me and I forgot what she said about the stickers, so I'm gonna have to go back and look. So she sent these puffy stickers, she sent these, and these I hadn't seen. I had seen, but I hadn't seen these. And then she sent some more puffy stickers. So I'll have to check to see what she told me about the stickers. But this I will set aside and put it where it belongs. So I'll be right back. Okay, guys. So this one is the one that Abril sent me. And oh, that's so pretty. Thank you, Abril. And yes, thank you for the birthday wish. I appreciate you, lady. That is so pretty. Look at that, guys. Oh, that is so cute. Let me see. Let me fold this a little bit so you can see it a little better. Look at that. That scarf is so adorable. Look at that. Oh my goodness, Abril, that's cute. Thank you, lady. Thank you. And okay, so this is Abril's box. And she has included a little pen and a little notepad for everyone, because I think I saw it through the packaging. So cute. Thank you, ma'am. And then this is Abril's box, and she's got this great big chipboard spider on the top. She's got a big spider web. She's got tulle at the bottom, and actually it's a shaker. It's a shaker, guys. Look at that, with all the bits in there. It's got, you know, orange and black sequins and spiders, and it is so cute. Spider webs. Look at that. Oh, that's so pretty. So she's got some washi all around the box, and she's got this puffy sticker that says spooky. She's got a, let me put it down, guys. And she's got a piece of bling at each corner. And that is so cute. Love it. Thank you, Abril. Thank you for including me, lady. And then so we open it up. Oh my goodness, let me see. Okay, so we open it up, and she's got some of this covering on the back. That is so cute. That is such a cute idea. Okay, so let's go into her box and see what she's included. So on this side, okay, I'll get back to where you belong. Right here, she's got all kinds of bling. She's got green, and she's got this little skeleton here with the crossbows, and she's got some purple and green and black bling. Right here, she's got all kinds of pom-poms, hairy pom-poms is what I call them. And then on this side, she's got the spider ring, and then she has some stickers. Those are super cute. Thank you, Abril. And then right here, she's got some felt stickers. Here we go. Super cute. And then right here, she's got some witches hats. And she's got 4 or 5 different colors. Those are cute. I don't have any of those. So thank you, Abril. I appreciate that. And then right here, she's got a little button and some more felt stickers. Trick or treat. Super cute. Thank you, ma'am. And then right here, she's got some ribbons. Got orange, black with an iridescent dot. Candy corn. I like that. That's cute. And then the little boo. All right. Thank you, ma'am. And then right here, she's got some boo stickers. And then on this side, she's got some more felt stickers. She's got the little witch's feet and the witch's hat. And right here, she has made some paper clips. She has made some spider paper clips, and then she made one with the hairy ball here. That is so cute. Yeah, that's cute. Oh, she even covered the back to give it a nice finish. Very cute. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. And then in this one, she's got some more stickers. These are a couple of pumpkins. There we go. Thank you so much, lady, for playing along. Ladies, I hope you have enjoyed our first reveal, group 1, and we will be back tomorrow with group 2. Thank you so much, ladies, for including me. I appreciate your efforts, and I will talk to everyone later. Y'all have a great day, ladies.